Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. In today's video, I'll be making a classic Sichuan dish, which has a funny name. In Mandarin, it's called 蚂蚁上树, which in English means ants climbing a tree. The dish itself is basically sautéed vermicelli with spicy minced meat. People give this dish the name ants climbing a tree, as the ground meat looks like ants. The vermicelli looks like tree branches, and the scallions look like tree leaves. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down below in the description box. Here I'm using the mung bean vermicelli, which are sometimes called glass noodles. You can also use sweet potato vermicelli. Unlike rice vermicelli, glass noodles are made from starch, and they don't break easily. Follow the instructions on the packaging. Soak the glass noodles in hot water to soften them. Drain the noodles and set aside for later use. As you will see, this recipe is extremely easy. Add some oil in the pan. Stir-fry the ground meat until it turns white. Add the chopped garlic, ginger slices, and the chili bean sauce. Stir-fry everything together for about 2 minutes. Cook the softened glass noodles for about 30 seconds, and then season them using soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and sugar. Finally, add some chopped scallions, a pinch of Sichuan peppercorn powder, and a touch of sesame oil. Perfect! Glass noodles are smooth and delicious. The small pieces of ground meat definitely makes this dish very savory. Give it a try at home. It's quick, easy, and super fragrant. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. See you soon. Bye!